Good morning. My name is Alisha. I am studying LKG in Nabul School. Ra, ka, at, cat, ka, p, cap, ra, rat, ma, mm, ta, mat, bag, bag, dog, dog, jug, jug, pan, pin, pin, pen, bus, bus,